Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate real estate blogging with WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate real estate blogging with WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to search for automation tools. Install and activate the WP All Import plugin. This tool will help you import content into your blog easily. Next, look for an RSS feed of a reputable real estate source. Copy the URL of the RSS feed for your desired content. Once you have the RSS link, return to the WordPress dashboard. Go to the WP All Imports section and select New Import. Choose from URL and paste the RSS feed link you copied. Follow the prompts to set up the import settings. Map the data fields from the RSS feed to your blog's post fields. Make sure to include title, content, and featured image settings. After mapping, configure the scheduling options for automatic imports. You can set the frequency according to your needs, like daily or weekly. Once everything is set, run the import to save the settings. Next, look for a social media automation plugin, such as Social Auto Poster. Install and activate it from the Plugins section. Navigate to the settings of Social Auto Poster. Connect your social media accounts where you wish to share your posts. Adjust the settings to customize how your posts will be shared. Now, create a new post format for your real estate blogs. Include key elements, like property details and high-quality images. Set the standard categories for these posts to ensure organization. Now it's time to create a backup system to protect your content. Consider using a plugin like Updraft Plus for automatic backups. Schedule regular backups to ensure your data is safe. Once the system is in place, explore SEO plugins like Yoast SEO. Install and configure it to optimize your content for search engines. Fill out SEO metadata as you create your posts to improve visibility. Now you're ready to monitor your website's performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.